How to stream Netflix on Discord. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can stream Netflix on Discord. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, make sure that you have opened up Netflix with logged in into your account, and then you can select a movie or the video that you want to play on Discord or in the Netflix. So make sure you have opened up the screen. Once you have opened up Netflix, now head back to the Discord and make sure that you're logged into your Discord as well. So open up your server, and on the server you'll have an option to share your screen. If you navigate at the left hand side at the bottom of your interface, there click on share your screen. So from here you can select the Netflix right here, and once you have selected the tab from the Chrome where you have opened up the Netflix and logged into your account, here if you want to share your audio, click on this option, also share tap audio, and make sure to turn on this toggle. And once you have done that, you can simply click on share, and with that you will be able to share your Netflix on Discord. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.